The market, Scott Carruthers and Stifel. Nicholas, are you there?
I'm here. Good morning.
All right. Yesterday, I think we had a nice little run yesterday. What happened?
Great day yesterday. The Dow was up 346 points, closed at 25,146. Financial stocks soared, and the Treasury yields rose after the ECB said they would probably wind down their asset buying program at the end of the year. Boeing was the best performer for the Dow, and 10 of 11 sectors were higher. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury rose to 2.95%. So good day all the way around.
All right, good. Let's talk more about Boeing and our friends up in North County. What's going on there?
Yeah, Boeing is investing in Kitty Hawk, a California-based startup that makes software and mobile-based apps for unmanned aircraft. The technology will help support the development of a UAS traffic management system that will enable piloted and autonomous air vehicles to safely coexist in the sky. It seems likely many industries are looking at the autonomous solutions right now.
First of all, it's a great name for an app like that, Kitty Hawk.
Yeah, that is.
Or they should call it the Jetsons, because that's what it's trying to figure out. The Jetsons figured this out in the 60s. I don't know what they're still playing around with it for. What about the U.S. trade deficit with China?
Right now, that hit a new record in the first 4 months of this year, which was a little more than $119 billion. We exported about $42 billion to them, and they imported about $161 billion from them. So in general, we buy 3.8 times the amount of goods from them they buy from us. The last time we had a trade surplus with them was April of 1986, and every month since then we have had a trade deficit.
And finally, what are we hearing from oil? Oil shot up quite a bit.
It is. OPEC meets in Vienna on June 22nd to discuss their production. It will probably be the most volatile meeting in years. The 14 members of OPEC and Russia will decide if they should increase their production or keep it at these depressed levels. Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Russia all want to increase, while Iraq and Iran do not want the increases. The U.S. has been pressing them to increase production, so it should be an interesting meeting. They will send their ministers to the pre-meeting June 14th.
All right, that's there. What are we hearing about the markets today as we wake up?
Well, today the Dow looks up 70. Another light day for economic numbers, but we do get the first-time jobless claims in about a half an hour. So we'll see how those things come out.
All right, good. Scott Carruthers, thanks for checking in. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.
Sounds great.
All right, good. 6:40 here.